Hi, and welcome to Tool Zone. Today's video is packed with astonishing skills and seamless execution. These aren't just tasks. This is where hard work meets art. Take a seat and step into the world of true professionals. Think your job is risky? Try sweeping bird droppings off sheer cliffs daily. With a broom in hand and an abyss beneath her feet, this woman handles the task with total calm. She's not just a cleaner, she's the queen of heights. You can't ignore this guy. Fitting a tire without tools is next level impressive. When a process is fine-tuned, everything runs like clockwork. To pull off chocolate like this, you need more than skill. You need a little magic, pure artistry in every swirl. Just a painting. Think again. It's a full-on canvas transformation. With a few creative strokes, even an old piece can become a centerpiece of home decor. Who knew a splash of color could unleash your inner designer? Think the Rubik's Cube was tough before? This version takes it to the extreme. Thankfully, some puzzle masters are still up for the challenge. Some builders don't just handle tools with skill, they've got dance moves too. But remember, a construction site isn't a dance floor, and if you lose your footing, those bricks might become your next dance partners. Making prints on products is a breeze when you've got the right tools and bold designs. Pick wisely, and even plain objects can become seriously stylish. Who needs heavy machinery when one determined person can clear the road just as well? When a chef truly loves their craft, even street food becomes a form of culinary art. Just hope that creative spark doesn't take a wild turn into experimental territory. brush cutter is used to trim overgrown vegetation and clear grass around a stone fence. A Bubble Show isn't just kid stuff. It's a doorway to a magical realm. Giant, shimmering bubbles float through the air, so mesmerizing that even adults forget everything, except that sudden urge to be a kid again. On a blank canvas, a girl creates floral artwork, painting delicate flowers and petals with artistic flair. That mirror painting turned out incredibly unique and stylish. You've got to hand it to the artist. His creativity really shines through. Incredible! Who needs a musical instrument when you can use it to slice holiday cheese? Now this is how a perfectly coated dessert should look. That glossy finish makes it feel less like food and more like a beautifully crafted piece of art. This guy gets floors level faster than you can blink, and somehow he leaves no trace of effort. Is he even touching the ground? Skill like this doesn't happen overnight. It's clear she's honed her craft to a truly expert level. Watching the road being laid is like witnessing a ballet of machines. From above, the synchronization is flawless, pure mechanical choreography. The cutting technique here is certainly unconventional, though after 15 minutes of repetition, it might turn into a bit of a visual trance. Just look how quickly she produces identical New Year ornaments. Pure skill and speed. Watch how the artist adds tiny suction cups to the sculpture's beard, an oddly satisfying detail. Isn't it amazing when creativity meets practical skills? This clever design proves that even a unique handmade piece can become the perfect bedside table. Incredible! The final finish on this piece gives it a lifelike glow. With its rich depth and stunning shine, it looks ready to leap off the shelf. More than just an item, it's a true centerpiece. With a touch of creativity, ordinary walls can be transformed into stunning works of art. Just make sure not to mistake this candle for your morning coffee. Looks can be deceiving. There's something so satisfying about watching a space completely transform before your eyes. Judging by his technique, this guy is clearly a true professional. There are some things you could watch forever, and this is definitely one of them. By the way, who here is a honey lover?